In the smart shipping discussion in this year's Navigator Assembly, one message stood out. Digitization and AI are transforming operations across the maritime industry. From bridge to boardroom, technology is driving efficiency, safety, and sustainability throughout the sector. The key challenge now is adoption, making sure these smart solutions are practical, interoperable, and intuitive, empowering both crews and shore teams to use them confidently and effectively.
AI is a fast-growing field that draws attention from the media and the public. This awareness opens up new prospects for innovation. At LTMR, we see this as a great opportunity to advance our tools that transforms unstructured information into structured data, such as recognizing positions, orders, SMP messages, and linking emails to vessel or port data. Functionality already performed by us for more than a decade. LLMs offer more than just message recognition. They can also generate high-quality outbound messages. Our focus isn't just on using top models, but incorporate them for specific needs of the maritime communication.
AI is helping shipping to work smarter by automating time-consuming and repetitive tasks such as technical reporting and system monitoring. By taking care of these routines, it allows more time for crew and onshore engineers to focus on the more important parts of vessel management, such as performance and safety, thus allowing for a more efficient and resilient and future-proof maritime industry.
Automation in maritime documentation and reporting process was also a key element of our discussions. Many of our panelists pointed out that AI-enabled documentation covering everything from custom declarations to port entry formalities, can significantly reduce bureaucracy, human error, and operational delays. This results in faster turnaround times and a much better communication between the vessel and the shore. AI, in all its different forms, does not replace capable people. It empowers capable people.
AI integrations within ERP systems is another fast-evolving area. By enabling analysis on big data and automating repetitive tasks, AI frees human factor, focusing on more strategic and safety-critical functions. Likewise, in finance and accounting, predictive analysis improves the cash flow automation and forecasting for budget control.
The technology is expected to have transformative impact across various sections. The marine industry is undergoing change, and the development of new maritime software as a service applications, including monitoring and AI solutions, is anticipated in the coming years. In the shipping industry, predictive maintenance using machine learning algorithms and digital twins involves the collection and processing of data, validation of outputs, and transmission to diagnostic centers. These novel technologies enable customers and equipment integrators to remotely control equipment status, reduce maintenance costs, and enhance the quality of service. As remote services are mainframes for advanced repair services, they also give the capability for a successful VDR annual performance test. However, cybersecurity capabilities must be considered as vital. Thus, OT manufacturers and shipping companies must cooperate to build trusted networks on board a vessel, segregate these ship OT and IT networks according to classification societies profiles and IAX regulations E26 and E27.
The consensus was clear. AI can streamline workflows, enhance safety, and empower teams. But success depends on training, trust, and a clear change management strategy. Technology adoption must be accompanied by strong support structures, ongoing education, and a culture that encourages experimentation and feedback.
All panelists stressed that digital transformation is not only about technology, it's about people and culture. Implementing new systems require rethinking of traditional workflows and fostering operation between various departments that operated historically in silos. Nowadays, simplified data management and integrated digital platforms allow the real-time collaboration between various departments such as technical, operation, crewing, finance, etc. On the other hand, centralized dashboards and automated data flow minimize the duplication of effort and ensure that all people, both on board and ashore, have a single reliable source of information.
When we speak about smarter shipping days and digital transformation, we need to realize that we speak for several different parameters at the same moment. Innovative technologies, smarter applications, or even our smarter philosophy and mentality when handling daily operational issues. We need to emphasize, of course, the limitations of such a process when it comes to flexibility and liability issues, and especially when we deal with more critical and severe cases. One tool may not fit for all purposes. By moving and investing forward on a more digital environment, we may say that we need actually to keep in mind the basic principle of theory is a mile away from practice.
Still, panelists noted that regulatory readiness and flag jurisdiction continue to play a significant role in determining how digital tools can be implemented. Compliance with international standards, data sharing requirements, and flag state approval process often shapes the pace of adoption. Participants emphasize that upskilling and training remain at the heart of digital success. Crews and shore teams must not only know how to operate the systems, but also understand the rationale behind them. Building digital confidence requires time, mentorship, and the support of leadership. The cultural aspect, encouraging openness to change and learning, is often the deciding factor between partial implementation and full transformation.
Cyber threats are becoming increasingly sophisticated, with phishing, malware, and even voice or video deepfakes posing real risks to both on-board and shore-based systems. Cybersecurity is not just an IT concern, it's a shared responsibility across the entire organization. From office teams and management to bridge officers and engineers, everyone plays a role. However, beyond all the acronyms, rules, and certifications, cybersecurity is really about one thing: culture.
Digital tools and AI also drive sustainability efforts. Sensors and other onboard monitoring systems provide real-time data on fuel consumption, engine performance, and the carbon intensity indicator, allowing operators to make informed decisions and reduce environmental impact. Advanced data analytics further enable shipping companies to identify inefficiencies, optimize energy usage, and adjust operational practices to minimize emissions. By combining AI-driven insights with predictive maintenance and route optimization, vessels can achieve significant fuel savings while supporting global sustainability goals.
The discussions we had were very interesting and very fruitful, and many different views were expressed. The conclusions we came to were basically that technology, in order to be successful in the implementation, must be first of all user-friendly. Wherever it's not, it will not be picked up and become spread out in its use. It also has to be reliable, because that means there is confidence built by the users, and also to be seamlessly integrated in whatever we do. With these three features, it means that whatever technology is introduced in any process, it will be used to its full extent. Lastly, we also discussed that companies must actually explore all available options, because there are many around which give different results, and they should see what fits to their needs. Also invest in upskilling as well as training, as well as fully leverage the different digital platforms that they have in their availability in order to achieve measurable efficiency, safety, and also sustainability.